President Bongbong Marcos has ordered a thorough investigation into the dredging and reclamation activities in the Philippine waters, according to the palace. This after the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency bared that sand from the Philippines' coastal areas was being used in China's reclamation activities in the West Philippine Sea. In a briefing on Wednesday, May 7, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro says an investigation on the matter is ongoing.
Matapos po makatanggap ng impormasyon patungkol po dito, inutos po ng Pangulo na magkaroon po ng masinsinang pag-iimbestiga patungkol dito. At ngayon po ay ongoing ang investigation at kapag ka po nagkaroon na po ng pinal na pag-iimbestiga o konklusyon papunta dito, ay patungkol po dito, gagawin po ang agarang pag-uutos. Ito ay ayon doon sa maaaring maging resulta ng investigasyon.
When asked if the government would hold concerned local government units accountable for the quarrying operations in coastal areas, Castro says,
Kaya nga po ito ay iimbestigahan kung meron pong dapat managot. Ito naman din po ang bilin ng Pangulo. Hindi po pwedeng iwasan ang mga tao. Kung may dapat panagutin, dapat pong managot.
the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency is reportedly currently investigating various Chinese companies' reclamation and dredging activities in the Philippine waters, including Manila Bay.